In this video, we are going to teach ourselves how we can link our Payoneer virtual account to Binance accounts. There's a video on how to buy with virtual card on Binance, so I'm going to tell you how to link the bank into your Binance account. You see, this is GBP and the GBP is working very well. You can see before my card arrived, and the card hasn't arrived yet, and I need a way to pull out my money in order to get my money in Naira. Since I was unable to send and receive on Binance only from verified source like Fiverr or Upwork, so I come to a research and I found the GBP virtual card is working with Binance very well. So copy your details, virtual card, maybe your number, copy it and go to your Binance account. Click on your Binance account, log in, go to your profile at the top, at the left top, click on settings, change your currency to GBP. Once you change your currency to GBP, click on deposit GBP. After clicking on deposit GBP, click on GBP currency. Once you set it to GBP, or if you don't set it, then you just need to click on your currency to GBP. Don't put it in NGN because it will show like this. Just click on continue. Just add new card. You see, is this my name or not? You paste, click on the address to CVV, you input the CVV. You click on the country is United States, because only the UK is using the GBP. Your city, that's your city inside the Payoneer profile that you input 7 to your postal code and add card. You see, the card added successfully. So if you want to buy a coin now, you buy a coin successfully. And mind you, when there is difference between this buy with GBP, cause the rate that we give you will be low. The deposit GBP is higher rate more than the buy with GBP. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also join our new Telegram group for more updates. Thank you.